So it's your Uncle Burpee Yoga. Here's a quote from the famous philosopher Lozi. 30 spokes unite around one hub to make a wheel. It's the presence of the empty space that gives the function of a vehicle. Clay is molded into a vessel. It's the empty space that gives the function of the vessel. Door and windows are chiseled out to make a room. It's the empty space in the room that gives it function. So to me, basically what that means is you can't have a yin without a yang. You can't have light without darkness. You can't have good without the bad. Everything needs to get in balance, and everything, you need both sides to stay balanced and to be good. And that's the hardest thing to do, to stay in the middle. Today I'm going to go through a very simple recipe. The less the better. It's basically shrimp scampi island style. It's, there's, wherever you go in the world, whatever city you go to, there's always certain institutions of food that you have to try. And one of the places when you come to Hawaii is the Giovanni Shrimp Trucks. They first started in Kahuku. I still remember their shrimp truck out in the middle of nowhere. But now, of course, they're huge. But they make a very tasty shrimp scampi, island style. So it's very simple ingredients. The trick to make this dish, you'll see in the video. It's a very simple trick. So go and check it out. And this is your Uncle Burpee Yoga. I do a lot of burpees. If you check my video, the rest of my videos on my channel, you'll see that I did over 315 days of non-stop minimum of 100 burpees. So you can check it out. I'm 50 plus years old. I ain't no Superman. I ain't pretty. I ain't fit. I'm not a fitness model. I'm just doing this mostly to get fit so I can eat. Yeah, and not pay the doctors. And I'm putting this on this page just so you guys can check out the Cryptocurrency Pi network. No, I'm not getting paid by them, but I'm thinking that they're like Bitcoin in 2007 in the mining stage. And if you can get some free money, why not? Right now, there's no money to be made. It's still free. You can use my link down below to get the invitation and start mining. Okay, here we go with a great video. I love shrimp scampi and it's so easy to make. Go check it out. And the trick is, when you're eating it, and you're eating the shrimp, Hawaiian style garlic shrimp, made famous by Giovanni Shrimp Truck back in Kahuku. I still remember driving through around the island way back when, and I see this little shrimp truck that was parked out in the middle of nowhere, and that was on the road, by the way, not where it is now and not how famous it was. I still remember eating this, and I'm going to attempt to recreate this recipe. The shrimp truck, by the way, was on a field, and I still see all the pipes that goes back to the house in the back, and I could not fathom how famous they have become. But pretty much you just need shrimp with the head off, devein, garlic, and lemon, and a few spices. Here we go. Well, a lot of hard work later, I've done the garlic and I've dried the shrimp. So now we're going to put it into a bowl for the shrimp, and we're going to marinate them for a little bit. Alright, so now we're going to marinate the shrimp. It's pretty simple. The first thing we started with is ground paprika. It's not spicy, it's just for coloring. Black peppers, a little bit of salt, a little bit of oil, and cornstarch. It's a very simple recipe, to be honest with you, because it's not supposed to be hard, right? The basic tenet is you want to have good shrimp, and you want to taste the flavor of the shrimp along with the flavor of the garlic, right? So we'll just hang out here for a bit. I wish I had more cornstarch, but it is what it is. And there's one secret to cooking this recipe that I found out after eating countless time over at that shrimp truck on my Oahu. And I'll show you what it is to make it so succulent. Alright, it's been marinated, and now we're gonna go to the cooking. This is a super easy recipe. Yeah, Uncle Burpee Yoga don't do hard recipes. Fast and easy. So it's basically European butter. Get that, European or anything that's not American butter, but because they taste different, and garlic. Yep, butter and garlic. We're gonna make the butter and the garlic taste fabuloso. So it's been cooking. So now I add a little bit of oil because I don't think there's enough oil to cook. And you see the color of the, oh my goodness, I can smell. Ooh, lovely. And we keep cooking because this is the bath that the shrimp will fall in. Well, it's been foaming, so now we're putting the shrimp. I've been to the shrimp truck many times, and the first thing I noticed is there's no noise when they cook. So I'm thinking, like, how do they cook all the shrimp? They don't microwave it, but there's a way they cook it. So I finally realized that the shrimp's cooking temperature is not really good for high heat, because if you cook the shrimp too high, it's not gonna be succulent. So I learned shrimp only takes like 3 to 5 minutes to cook. So now we're gonna flip it over, and the soft sound you heard, or you're hearing, that is like what I heard, because there's no flaming thing, there's no sizzling thing. When I'm at the shrimp truck, it was just like this, because the shrimp cannot be overcooked. You can fry them, it'll taste nice and crunchy, but in actuality, you're overcooking the shrimp, and it just won't look as good and taste as good. And you know what? At the shrimp truck, they employed, this one's no good, maybe a little bit better. They employ people to work. They follow an instruction to cook. So the recipe's not that hard. It's just the steps. So we'll get there. See? There's no high bubbly sound. There's no frying or nothing. It's just like this, slow and easy. And if you want to put white wine in there, you can do it. I'm following the good old tradition of the less the better to taste the shrimp. Alright, it's been about a minute. You can see that it's basically done on both sides. And we're going to start plating it. And here it is. Shrimp scampi Hawaiian style. And then the last thing you do, take a lemon and squeeze it on top. Then my lemon. And it's ready to go. Seafood at its best. Island style. Bless up. Uncle Burpee Yoga. The trick is when you eat a shrimp, you taste the consistency of the shrimp. See? The taste of the shrimp is one thing, but the springiness of the meat is the other. If you overcook the shrimp, what happens is the shrimp is not springy and tender. And that's because there's too much heat. So you have to understand, when you're looking at a shrimp and eating it, why it tastes the way it does. Because it has to be cooked at the correct temperature for it to be springy. Springy, not dead. The word is springy. If you don't understand that, well then, live and learn. Bless up.